Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing fine. So, today we'll continue with the same chapter, A Triumph of Surgery. So, as we all know, that due to the excessive love by Mrs. Pamphret, Tricky was in trouble. Tricky was sent to the hospital for the 15 days, and while Mr. Harriet, was taking Tricky to the hospital, so all the maids, all the helpers that were working in Mrs. Pamphret's house, they gave so many stuff to make Tricky feel like home over in the hospital. So that was again a sign of Mrs. Pamphret being a rich mistress. So as soon as when Mr. Harriet reached the hospital, all the other dogs gathered around the doctor, and they were introspecting the dog, they were introspecting the Tricky over there, and they considered him as an uninteresting object because he was acting very motionless, he was acting very restless. He didn't eat anything for the 2 days, and he was kept on a strict diet, strict routine by the doctor. No food, only plenty of water. Only then Tricky will be able to recover from his illness, from his because he has he was becoming huge in size day by day due to the excessive meals given by Mrs. Pamphret, due to the excessive love, because she was thinking that he is suffering from malnutrition, but actually he needs to be put on a strict diet. He needs to be follow a particular regime. Only then Tricky would be able to recover, but she was not able to understand that thing. And slowly and gradually the other dogs, they started introspecting. They got to know that he's in very uninteresting object, so they left him and they moved out. But slowly and gradually, on the second day, Tricky started roaming around the place, and on the third day he was making noise to let the people in the hospital know that he too wanted to go out with the other dogs. So that was a sign that he was slowly and gradually recovering due to the strict diet given by the Mr. Harriet. And when so there was a this is very interesting fact among the dogs, among the pets, that they have this thing that if you gave them any meal, any particular meal, so they always have that hunger to eat the meal of other dog or other creature that is with whom they are surrounded with. So later in the evening, when the narrator was present at the dinner table and was watching all of them, so especially Tristan, as he was sloping the food, all of them eat with a very great speed. They all were eating the food with very speedy, with a great speed, so that because they knew this thing that if they didn't finish quickly, then the other dog, after finishing his meal, will come to eat their meal. This is among humans as well. Like if you have small younger brother or sister, so they have this thing that they will eat slowly so that they can tease you later on. So but they didn't know that if you will eat slowly, so other will come to take your meal. So that is what the scene was happening among the dogs. And then he was slowly and gradually he was progressing. His progress was very rapid because he was kept on a particular routine, particular diet that includes physical exercises as well, that includes physical movement of body as well. That is very important. No medical treatment was given, but all day was involved in running after other dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. So that when you are eating something, so your body needs to digest that. If you will not do that, so it will automatically affect your health. So that is what Mr. Harriet was doing with Tricky. He was making Tricky get involved in the physical activities, running, moving, so that the food, that whatever things he's eating at a particular time or in a particular routine, he will be able to digest that thing by involving in that activities. So by the time he started running, he started moving, he let others know in the hospital that he also wanted to join other dogs. Then he became an accepted member of the dogs. Everyone started accepting him, and he never had such time in his life. He never had experienced so much of joy, so much of fun, full activities, because Mrs. Pamphret never involved Tricky in such activities. And by the time Mrs. Pamphret got to know about the improvement, about the progress, she again started bringing eggs, 2 dozen of eggs at a time, bottles of wine to build up Tricky's strength. Again, that emotional, again, that love thing was coming in between the health of Tricky and the barrier, the distance that was there between Mrs. Pamphret and the Tricky. So soon it became Mr. Harriet's habit to have glasses of wine with other helpers, and those days were of deep content. Deep content means satisfaction. Mr. Harriet was feeling very satisfied. He was feeling very happy that he was starting his day with 2 dozen of eggs and ending his day with brandy and wine. So he was feeling very content. He was feeling very satisfied, and he was thinking to keep Tricky as a permanent guest over there, because that became a temptation. That became an thing to temptation means that can things that can attract you easily. So Mr. Harriet was getting attracted by the things that Mrs. Pamphret was giving for Tricky, the eggs, the wine, the brandy, everything. So he was getting tempted by that thing. But soon he realized that Mrs. Pamphret is like a mother to Tricky, and she, not only Tricky, but Mrs. Pamphret had also gone through such a tough time by getting separated from Tricky. So if he will think, if he will think Tricky as a temptation and to make him as a permanent guest, that would be a wrong thing to do. And that is why he decided to inform Mrs. Pamphret that after 15 days he informed him that he had fully recovered and was looking much healthier. Now he is very playful pet, he is very healthy, so now she can take Tricky home. As soon as Tricky saw his mother, his mistress, it was overwhelming situation for both of them. They both were able to feel that connection between each other. Tricky jumped into the laps of Mrs. Pamphret and started licking her face, barking in excitement. So that again shows that he has actually become a playful pet. He was very excited about going back to his home, about going back to his place, and that too with Mrs. Pamphret. Mrs. Pamphret was like a mother to Tricky. That is why he was feeling very overwhelmed. He was going through a very happy and playful situation. And when Mrs. Pamphret took Tricky back, and she finally thanked Mr. Harriet for what he had done for her and for Tricky as well, because that was the triumph of surgery. Means the treatment that was given to Tricky was successful. Here the triumph of surgery, it's an irony. Surgery here means it's not the typical surgery, it's surgery means the physical movement of the body. There was no medical treatment given, only the physical activities were being involved. So this is the irony of the situation, a triumph of surgery. Surgery here is not the medical surgery but the physical activities that were being involved to make Tricky better, to improve Tricky's health. These are your assignment questions. I hope you'll be able to attempt these.